Hey guys, I wanted to, sorry, this is really placed in the background. One second, let me just turn it off. Sorry. Okay, so, anyway, I'm going to show you something really cool that my mom's friend gave her for her birthday. It's really cool. So, it's like a waterfall thing with these pretty decorative rocks and washes. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this light turns on. It's really pretty. I'm gonna like keep it here in our like formal living place, because that's a real living room. But yeah, and it's really cool. I love it. It's pretty awesome because I've always wanted a waterfall thing. It's awesome. It's really cool. So yeah, well that's basically it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.